everyone. Today we will be solving our DSA Series DP question number 2, that is coin change count ways to make a sum. So basically this question having an integer array of points n of size n representing different type of denominators and an integer sum. Basically our task is to calculate the combinations of coins to make a given value sum. So let's explain. I will explain in simple words. So basically we have coin 1. It have possible values 2, that is head and tail, and if we have another coin that we have possibilities of 4, so we have to make a pair of 2 coins that will give the output sum of value sum. The approach that we will consider here is using first way is to use by recursion. So for each coin we have 2 options, including the current coin and excluding the current coin, basically subtracting the current coin denominator from the target sum and call the count function recursively and then updating the sum. And another one is current coin, that will call the count the function recursively with the same sum and will remain coins that we will count by further. So basically recursion is basically you will count one by one. Okay, and the other technique was memorization technique, that was the optimal substructure, and basically it is a problem of dynamic programming that we will use into two different domains, that is memorization and tabulation. So tabulation, if we see here, so tabulation will be also an good approach to solve this question. Basically for 2D DP arrays with rows and column having the equal number of coin denominators and target sum. So okay, another one is space optimized DP, that will giving the approach that we have only DPI minus 1j and DPIJ, that can give an optimization space complexity according to one DP array. Now let's take an example. So here we have some input, we have some 4, so and coins are 1 2 3. So what are the possible values, possible values from this input, so that we can, our sum will be 4. Okay, so sum will be 4, that will include 1 1 1, that consists of 4 1, and another output is 1 1 2, another one is 2 plus 2, another was 1 and 3. So there will be 4 output. Same consists for sum 10, including the coins 2 5 3 6, there will be 5 output. As you can see here, it will be 2 2 2, so possible outcomes will be 5. Okay, let's start with doing coding. So we can start by reading questions. So we have given a same array questions, coin representing coins of different denominators and integer amount representing a total amount of money. We have to return the fewest number of coins that you need to put to make that amount, and the amount of money cannot be made up by any combination of the coins returning minus 1. So basically we have doing the same condition. Here we have giving the coins 1 2 3 1 2 5 and amount will be 5, so the output will be 3. Okay, so what are the possible values that we will pair up so that our output will be 11. Output will be 11. Okay, so let's start with coding. So there will be 2 approach. First one is okay, let's see. First one is your starting with creating a vector containing integer DP consisting of amount 1, amount plus 1 and amount plus 1. For DP0 it will be equals to 0. Then we will take a loop and I equals to will be int coin, because we are representing it by coins. So we will write it as int. Now we can do the loop containing n equals to coin, I greater than equals to amount, and then plus I. Then taken another loop consisting dp0 equals to, consisting of I index equals to minimum dp because we are here representing n, replacing n by coin, so it will be this n plus 1. Then returning the values, so we will return DP amount that we have to return, and amount that questions mark -1, okay, will be DP amount. Okay, so let's run this. Let's see. Okay, we are facing some issue. Let's check what's the error. Here we are. Okay, we have not given this function. Basically we are using here. Okay, now we have just checked. Now let's run, because we are comparing here both statements. We are comparing this into this. So yeah, our output and our result was accepted. Just submit it. So yeah, done. So now what will be time complexity, if you can guess? Okay, it is not showing, but the time complexity that you will get is will be O nm. Okay, basically nm is a points, n is basically let's say if I write it as n is equals to, here is points, and m is equals to amount. So that's how you can solve this problem. Hope you like it, guys, and keep practicing. Bye bye.